हेलो गाइस, यूट्यूब के इस बड़े से प्लेटफॉर्म में मेरे नए छोटे चैनल का आप सभी का स्वागत है। सो टुडे इज 5th of September and today is Onam. So this came out of syllabus. That's why we are celebrating Onam in the class today. So I have dressed up in the Onam attire. I kept it very minimal because class में दुल्हन बन के तो नहीं जाऊंगी मैं. So that's how it is. And this vlog will be very short, I feel, because I have two classes today from 2 to 4:30, so I cannot shoot in the class. So whatever in the break I can shoot, I will shoot and add it in the vlog. So let's see how many will drape sari today, because I really don't think many will drape, because पहले तो सबको साड़ी पहनना आता नहीं और बाकी लोग आलसी हैं, ऐसा मैं सोचती हूँ. तो लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज. कमेंट करके बताना कि मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ. और अच्छा वाला ओणम सेलिब्रेशन हमने लास्ट वीक किया था, लास्ट संडे, वो वाला व्लॉग मेरे यूट्यूब पे ऑलरेडी लाइव है, वो जाके देख लेना. और आई गिव यू माई फिट चेक. So I reached the class and these are my classmates.
Yeah, ask me questions.
And she was 20 minutes late to the class. Me asking him where is the mundu. All are in Onam dress and you're not.
Bro, you didn't send me a message, bro.
I put it in the group, no?
You didn't send
What else do you want? We have to give
You
you a
have
pigeon
personally
letter.
sent me.
How do you both feel?
Or a pigeon should come flying to your flat.
All the washes were not washed, so that's why I couldn't wear.
Lame reasons, guys. This needs guts. Sir, happy Onam, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, we expected you in Mundu, sir.
Morning I had. But after lunch, now I changed.
And at the end of the class, photo.
Bad picture.
What happened?
No, he is standing, bro.
Okay, we are giving the photo.
What is this? After party?
They plan and I shoot. You people are going to buy tiffin.
Like just having some.
Vlogging, guys, vlogging. Pretty girls in sari. Okay, guys, so Amrita denied getting sadhya, but she got us Kerala chips. Hey, open it. Ta-da! No sadhya, only banana chips, guys. Okay, we have something more than banana chips. What is this? What is this, Amrita?
Keep it. Okay. So I'll make Anna tell the name of this snack. Okay. It's called Sharkara variety.
Sharkaya?
Sharkara variety.
Sharkara variety.
Yeah, Sharkara variety. Wow. Good.
Bella, yeah. I didn't like the taste.
Sharkara means bella.
That time was sweet. But
Oh,
pepper
that toffee comes, no, 2 rupees per cup and all.
wait.
It's made of.
All went. Guys, you want some wait. You want some Sharkara variety?
I can't eat.
Why? Oh. You want banana chips? Okay guys, so now we are done with the classes. We will be going to meet our one of the faculty, our most favorite faculty. So he has texted Amrita asking for some sweets, Onam sweets. So she has got some chips and Shakkara variety something. So let's see his reaction on the sweet, not a sweet, a snack. Let's see. ನಿನ್ನ ಮಾಮನ ಮುಂಡು ಓಡಿ.
ಅದು ಮಲ್ವತ್ತು ಮಾಡು.
This is academic block 5. We are going to biomedical department cabin.
Priyanka.
guys, fit check. Fit check no one asked for, actually. Okay, we changed the way because we saw other 3 faculty waiting outside the cabin. So we were like, so now we will be going back. Come on, guys. Let's go in. Hello, sir.
Hi, sir.
Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Happy Teachers Day, sir. I'm happy Onam, sir.
Yes, sir. Happy Onam.
Thank you. So it's like both vlogging together, huh?
Yes, sir.
So both of them will get updated in your both the channels.
Yeah.
Then what?
You'll become viral soon.
Oh, then I should get paid for this. Then
So we got something for you.
I should unbox that, huh?
No,
You can't.
This is.
You tried. Onam, sir. Onam gift.
We'll see what's there inside this. Okay. Oh, nice. This I eat always. Next.
You know what that is?
Yeah. That this is like banana, that thick type of chips. It is like added with pepper and.
exactly.
Yeah.
I'm
Sorry.
camera conscious now.
Sir,
And this
you have
one.
to spell that in Malayalam.
Malayalam, some word
Shakkara
is there,
variety.
Shakkara variety.
Shakkara varati.
Shakkara.
Shakkara variety.
Shakkara
Variety.
varati. Appa, what and all I should do for your camera. Then this one is
Banana.
Kerala banana chips.
It
So I have
tastes
to
it, sir.
yeah. So all this will come, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, slowly I should unbox it.
No,
No,
sir.
Full speed, huh?
Or else we'll do
No,
it.
you'll get time, right? Ad and all will get played. Okay, we'll get slowly. Wow. Oh. Nothing, only banana chips. Okay, guys, it's banana chips. It's Kerala banana chips. So let's give it a try. So, wait,
Vlogging.
it's yellow in color. Then let me taste.
Eat, sir, eat.
Wait, ma. Slow motion or faster?
Fake acting. sir.
Banana chips from Kerala only. Nothing can beat it.
Authentic.
Any other things are there? Chocolate and all?
No, sir.
So this much I brought, sir. Now you give me. Now you. Ayo.
I should give you.
Storage full.
You want, huh?
Thank you, sir.
No, I thought I should give to the camera. From the camera, you eat. ನೋಡಿ ಬ್ಲಾಗಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು ನಂಗೇನಾರು ಇದೆಯಾ ಓ another gift cover from Happy Teachers Day. ನೋಡಿ
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ.
ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ
Thank you.
ಓ ಎರಡು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Thank you.
This is the new one from Manipal. The students are giving us, like, 2 students. One is Lokeshwar and Isha Shedge.
Shout out to them.
A big shout out to them. So they are saying, like, Lokeshwar as wishing you a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you for all the content you have given us, and I'm really excited to learn from you for the next 2 years. So he has fixed. Then other thing is from Isha Shedge. Thank you for making one of the difficult subject easy for me. Oh, nice. Despite having 4 out of 6 full days, I never feel like to skip your classes. That's really good. Then one of the best quality of yours is that you are approachable. Thank you for making us laugh. Isha Shedge. Nice. Make the mid-sem paper easy. This was good. This was unexpected. all these things has made my things beautiful.
Yeah,
Teachers Teachers Day. Finally I am a teacher. I also can't believe that I am a teacher today. And you people are vlogging, and I'm giving you content. That's also a good thing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, good thing. Give me money if it comes.
You're surprised, right?
Yeah. You show it to Jeevan sir. Group photo.
Yes, sir. Am I tall?
Come near, no.
Comes ahead, then little extra zoom, then problem becomes, sir.
What does that matter?
Reviewing the photos, sir.
Oh, हाँ तेरा उल्टा ना? Fun video.
No, sir.
Do that.
I'll take a video.
2 minutes you.
Sorry.
For Anna's video. Madison, you do, man.
Come on.
Oh, he's ready. He's ready.
Wait.
You want to dance?
Wait, nice. Wait, again.
We have met our faculty. Now we don't want to meet any faculties on the way because we don't have any chips left. So
Guys, please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe.
we have a pretty view from our department. So yes, view from AB5. It's pura cloudy. It might rain soon. Bro, you're a Mallu. Where is your mundu?
I wore a mundu, then I went for lunch, then I removed my mundu, then I came to class. Now I'm sleeping. After Sandhya, I'm
Happy Onam.
happy.
Where did you get Sandhya from? Sandhya? Sadhya. Where did you get Sadhya from?
That's Kerala.
Achha. Same to you. Bye. And we have some photo shoots. Photo shoot time, guys. Okay, so Amrita is like sing Onam song.
Onapattu.
Onapat, huh?
Sing. Tiruvavani Ravu.
Tiruvaniva Ravu. Ananya Ravu. Okay. Now Tiruvatipuram.
Tiruvavani.
Tiruvavani
Ravu.
Rao. Tiruvani Rao.
Tiruvavani Ravu.
Tiruvani Rao.
Manasagi Nilavu.
Manasagi Nilavu.
Malayala Chundil.
Malayala Chundil.
Malarona Pattu.
Malarona Pattu.
Very good.
How do you feel, Ananya? Good. Thumbs up, guys. Show thumbs up. Okay, as I learned singing, Ammu is like sing and show. Malaya Tiruvarapuram.
I'll write the lyrics so that you.
Okay, guys. So Anna will sing a song. Okay, so she has written the lyrics. Some Tiruvani Rav Manasai Nilav
That is gay. Manasage.
Manasage Nilava Malayala Chundil Malar Vannapata.
Tiruvavani Ravu. Manasagi Nilavu. Malayala Chundil. Malarona Pattu. Yes.
So after successfully wasting 1 hour, we are going to buy tiffins now for not sadhya but some sweets. Some sweets like I am planning to try gaver, then kaju katli and rasmalai. So let's go and check what is there. Okay, so we entered Pai Tiffin They took a seat for 6 people. Adarsh and Samant had to come. So yeah, we'll order now. Okay, my solo Kaju Katli. This is Rabdi with Gaver. I'm so excited. I'm trying it for the very first time. So this one is my all-time favorite. It's nice. It's like rusk.
Raskin Rasmalai. And gave her. Try it. This try it.
Fruit salad for me.
Salmon the deppara battige.
Some
And the vittu prasthana.
Insert smile emoji on his face.
Sekyum. ലൈഫിൽ ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ഞാൻ ഫ്രൂട്ട്സ് കഴിക്കുന്നതാണ്.
My sensitive teeth got triggered. So we are done eating and we paid the bill. Now we are gossiping a little. It's 6 o'clock. We will leave now.
20%, 20%, 40%.
Maybe that's it for the day, guys. Let's see what will be there next. So we were left to do Ananya's photo shoot. So she doesn't like clicking photos. She doesn't like coming in the vlog. So somehow we forced her this time. Let's see how good photos come. It's almost raining. Full cloudy. That's it, guys. That's for the day. So I really didn't think my vlog will go so long. So like it came almost 17 minutes after editing. I was like, oh, so much content. I didn't even realize where did I shoot so much. So if you guys are thinking that I have only 15 people in my class, it's no, not. The program elective classes are divided, and like there are so many program electives and people have chose what they want. So each class is having 15, 20, 30 people max. So my class has 15 and I was actually surprised to see many of them in like traditional attire. Mundu boys. It was like great. Then we had a great time with our faculties, especially with Omkar sir, one of our favorite faculty, like all time go-to faculty he is. These are the small memories that we remember later on and be grateful for. Like these are like small things whatever we did. Like we went and we had sweets, had dosa. So that's what we made a memory. I hope you guys like the vlog and I hope you guys have subscribed my channel. If not, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. That's it.